हेलो बेटे, आवाज क्लियर है आप लोगों को?
यस सर।
ठीक है बेटे, ये लो सैनिटाइजर, सैनिटाइज करो हाथ को पहले। कर लिए? चलो ठीक है, अब लो, अब क्लास अटेंड करो।
Students, are you listening?
Yes sir.
So today very less students have joined. Some students are facing the shortage of electricity. Am I right?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
New questions and ideas, and today is 6th of 6/10/2020. Yes. So regarding any doubt regarding with the previous topics? बताइए। हमने जितना पिछला पढ़ा उसमें से किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछ सकता है। Tell me. कृष्णा यादव, नीतीश यादव, चलिए आप लोग बोलेंगे नहीं मुझे पता है। टुडे यू हैव टेकन द मौन व्रत। चलिए, so we have to start with the theory regarding that Jainism. So when we have start with the Jainism, clear? So regarding that, starting means the principles which is given by the Mahavir Swami. So what the principle he has given? He taught a simple doctrine, men and women who wish to know the truth, they have to left the homes. कि जिसको वास्तव में सचमुच का ज्ञान चाहिए उसे उस ज्ञान की प्राप्ति करने के लिए घर को त्याग देना चाहिए। It's clear now. Next, another one, and another principle was non-violence. Means he talked about that leave the practice of violence and you have to accept the non-violence pattern. जीवों पर दया करो. This point is that non-violence is the point. Here, because he said that keep quiet. Please listen. So this one, ordinary people could understand the teaching of Mahavira and his followers because they use the Prakrit. We have discussed about that the different kind of vernacular languages which were spoken in that different Mithilanchal. So that's why this language is known as Magai or Magdi or Prakrit, Pali or the Magdi, and whatever it. Then he also given that we have to the people have to be honest. And we have also listened, honesty is the best policy. So in this pattern, honest, he said we have to be honest. Clear? The another point is regarding with the celibacy. The celibacy means you have to keep aloof from the worldly affairs, don't make marriages. So these kind of principles were also given by the Lord Mahavir Swami, who started or established Jain religion. Clear? As well as not to steal. चोरी नहीं करनी चाहिए. It's also kind of crime. Then you have to give up, and you have to give up even of your clothes. So then it was very difficult for most men and women to follow these strict rules, because the rules or the principles which is given by the Mahavir Swami, who was the founder of Jain religion. So the principles which were given by the Mahavir Swami, first of all, non-violence, then you have to be honest, then celibacy, don't steal, abstain from steal. So all the kind of ill practices you have to be left out. Means all the kind of what? All the kind of ill practices you have to left out. Clear? This one. Then after listening that many of them, after listening the principles which were given by the Mahavir Swami, many have left the homes. But because they have to follow the strict rules, so all the men and women, some of the men and women not try to left the homes. So in that case, the Mahavir Swami told that you have to serve those peoples. So those peoples are monks and the nuns, and you have to serve those monks and nuns who are preaching the principle of myself or the principle of Jainism. Clear? Then if we compare the Jainism religion with the Buddhism religion, it was not adopted by many people, because the policies and the principles which were given by the Mahavir Swami was too much severe. So very few of them have adopted, and basically the farmers not adopted. The farmers not adopted the Jainism, because due to the Mahavir Swami, non-violence was forbade. So yes, and if you have done the farming practice, that most of the insects and the small living organisms you will kill. So most of the peasants, the cultivators and the farmers not adopted Jainism. Basically the traders who based on the trade activities, they accepted this religion. And this religion was basically spread in the 3 states, most of the states, but then. So At where this in the where of the states it was just spread. So the some states of North India, then Gujarat, then Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. And the main place there, they were written down in the form of the which they presently alluded the place called Vallavi. When the teachings of Mahavir and his followers were transmitted orally for self-centuries, they were written down, and the teachings which was codified, and this place was Vallabhi, and the Vallabhi is in Gujarat. At this place, they codified the principles of, at this place, they codified the principle of whom? The Mahavir Swami. This was the place, Vallavi, and this is the place in Gujarat. Clear? Clear?
सर
हाँ,
सर ये फार्मर्स जर्नलिज्म रिलीजन को ज्यादा देते हैं।
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी नहीं है, एक मिनट, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं हो रही है, दोबारा बोलिए।
सर सेलिब्रेसी क्या होता है? सर
सेलिब्रेसी कह सकते हैं कि इफ इट इज रिलेटेड टू सेंसुअल प्लेजर, so sensual pleasure, those who make them marry, they will done this kind of things. शादी मतलब उन्होंने शादी करने को बिल्कुल बैन कर दिया, क्योंकि the followers of, whether we talk about the Buddhism and Jainism, they have to left the worldly affairs, and the worldly affairs should be, we can say, just it can be stopped when you will not make them marry. जब वो शादी नहीं करेंगे तभी तो वर्ल्डली अफेयर से बचेंगे. It's also related to the some part of celibacy, sensual pleasure. Clear?
यस सर।
और कुछ?
सर
यस श्रेया गुप्ता पूछिए.
बुद्धिज्म,
आपकी आवाज बेटा आज थोड़ा कट कट के आ रही है.
सर फार्मर्स बुद्धिज्म रिलीजन को अपनाते थे।
मैंने बुद्धिज्म के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं जैनिज्म के बारे में पढ़ा रहा हूँ फिलहाल में. बुद्धिज्म के बारे में मत सुनिए. पहले हमने बुद्धिज्म के बारे में बात की, अब हम महावीर स्वामी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. एंड द महावीर स्वामी एस्टैब्लिश्ड जैनिज्म, नॉट द बुद्धिज्म. क्लियर? महावीर स्वामी स्टार्टेड जैनिज्म और एस्टैब्लिश्ड जैनिज्म, not the Lord Buddha, or we can say the Siddhartha. Or here, so here we talk about the Mahavir Swami started, or we can say initiated Jainism. Clear? Shreya Gupta. Shreya Gupta, are you listening?
Yes sir,
So do you have understood or
yes
not?
sir,
Have you understood?
yes sir,
So when we talked about,
Yes,
I think
sir.
I heard some
Yes,
voice
sir.
from you that you are asking about why the farmers not adopted the Jainism. Because I told you, basically the traders accepted Jainism. Basically in the Gujarat side, at the some other places of the parts of northern India than Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The rest are untouched by this Jainism because the practices which were given by the Mahavir Swami, it was very hard and very severe. So, due to the severe punishment to the body, most of the followers left, or most of them not accepted. And basically, the farmers who are always engaged in the agricultural activities. So if they have done the agricultural activities, and the agricultural activities related with the soil, because in the soil many kinds of insects and the animals live. So if you have done the agriculture, you will kill this kind of animals and whatever the insect and organisms. So that's why they have not adopted, or we can say accepted, Jainism. Clear? Shreya Gupta?
Yes.
So it is understood? Understood or not? और बालक बहुत से बच्चे जुड़े हैं, कुछ पूछना है, कुछ बच्चे बाद में जुड़े हैं,
Yes, sir.
तो किसी को कुछ पूछना है? शिवेश,
सर त्रियंतकार क्या होते हैं?
कौन सा क्या चीज?
सर जो 24 त्रियंतकार है ना जैनिज्म में, वो क्या?
तीर्थांकर है, तीर्थांकर. The Mahavir Swami was the 24th तीर्थांकर.
सर ये क्या होता है? इसका मीनिंग क्या है?
कभी कभार कुछ हर एक चीज का मीनिंग नहीं होता है, तो यही वर्ड समझ लीजिए, लेकिन तीर्थांकर का हम वैसे मतलब बता देते हैं. देखिए, the Mahavir Swami, we can't say they have started or initiated the religion. This religion was earlier, but it got the pace. It got the pace, or we can say it got the momentum when the 24th Tirthankar Mahavir Swami was born and preaching this religion. Then, due to the influence, many people have adopted this religion. Because the first Tirthankar of the Jainism was Rishabh Dev. The first Tirthankar of the Jainism was Rishabh Dev. And so according to the number, he was the 24th Tirthankar. There are lots and lots of Tirthankar. Tirthankar, we can say, also relate with the sages. Sages, जो ऋषि मुनि होते हैं, तो एक परंपरा है कि उनके बाद किसने अडॉप्ट किया, उसके बाद किसने अडॉप्ट किया, और उसको कैसे कैसे प्रीच किया. ठीक है?
बट सर जो महावीर स्वामी ने जैनिज्म का वो किए थे, मतलब
देखिए,
जैनिज्म को,
मेरी बात समझिए. आप पहले आप पूछे, इसके बाद मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
सर जैसे पहले भी जैनिज्म
था. जैनिज्म, देखिए, जैनिज्म की फिलॉसफी थी पहले, किसी ने स्टार्ट किया हुआ था. मैंने लिखा है, रिटन द ऋषभ देव. द ऋषभ देव, he was the first one who established this religion, but very few people know about, because they started, but it get the momentum after when the 24th Tirthankar was born, the Mahavir Swami, and he propagated this religion. Clear? स्टार्ट तो कोई और कर देता है, लेकिन उस समय मोमेंट नहीं पकड़ता है, क्योंकि उसके लिए कोई फॉर्म पर्सनालिटी और लीडर चाहिए. सो व्हेन द फॉर्म पर्सनालिटी एंड द लीडर एंटर्ड इन जैनिज्म, देन ड्यू टू द too much people were affected by listening her thoughts, maybe that earlier in which language they have giving the sermons. So we have know that later, earlier the scriptures were written in what? Sanskrit. But during this period, so earlier period the Mahavir, Rishabh they have given, but not too much people were affected. But when they have given the lectures, most probably during in the vernacular languages, Magdi, Ardh Magdi, Pali, and the Prakrit. So most of the people were attracted to the thoughts, to the Mahavir Swami, and by the listening, they are influenced by them and they accepted and adapted Jainism. Clear? Because
Yes,
when we
sir.
talk about these, all the principles were not given by everything, by the previous Tirthankars. The celibacy part is given by the Mahavir Swami. Because it is, ये संसार दुखालय है, तो यहाँ पर एक बार आने के बाद इस संसार में, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, इट्स नॉट माय थॉट, अकॉर्डिंग टू द थॉट ऑफ महावीर स्वामी, कि ये संसार दुखालय है, यहाँ दुख ही दुख है. सुख की कल्पना करना, सुख और दुख बहुत नॉर्मल चीज है. सुख का मतलब क्षणिक सुख है, जो कुछ देर के लिए टेम्पोरली है, या कह सकते हैं दुख भी टेम्पोरली है. सो एंड द पर्सन हु नीड आनंद, द लॉन्ग लिविंग हैप्पीनेस, so the long living happiness, it should be cleared by this word anand. So anand is different from the what? Sukh and dukh, comfort and sadness, whatever it. Clear? So if you want to the real happiness, true happiness, you have to be totally and totally devoted to that. देखता होगा ऋषि मुनियों के पास कुछ नहीं होता है, लेकिन तभी वो बहुत प्रसन्न रहते हैं, प्रसन्न नहीं, आनंद में रहते हैं, क्योंकि प्रसन्नता और दुख साधारण मनुष्यों को होता है, वो सब उससे परे हैं, वो सभी लोग उससे परे हैं, इसलिए वो अलग चीज है. समझा रहा है? मैंने आपको बताया, आपको ये सारी की सारी चीजें फिलोसॉफिकल थॉट्स है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द फिलोसॉफिकल थॉट, it is totally and totally different from that. This is known as darshan shastra. Clear? समझा रहा सबको?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir. अब कुछ नहीं पूछना.
चले, तो we'll move to the Sangha. You want to ask something? You are taking the classes at the home? So I'm going to raise this. Right now we discuss about the Sangha. Right now discuss about the Sangha. We are discussing about the Sangha. बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि. बुद्ध की शरण में जाओ, संघ की शरण में जाओ. संघ, संघ is related with association. Sangh is related with association, and the association is related with the group. Are you understanding? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
The Sangh.
Yes,
Sangh is
sir.
related with association. Association means group, and the group means what? The number of the people, or whatever the amount or the number is Sangh. So both the Mahavir and the Buddha felt that only those who left their homes could gain true knowledge. So both. So whether we talk about the Mahavir Swami or Mahatma Buddha, both Mahavir Swami and the Mahatma Buddha, both saying that only those person who get the true knowledge, who left their homes, they will get the true knowledge. Only those person get the true knowledge who left their homes. And both the teachings were too much similar. We can't say totally similar, too much similar, because if you saw the teachings of the Mahavir Swami, it is much more severe than the Buddhist or the Buddha given, because the Buddha have given the new Madhyama Marga. Don't too much give penance to your body. क्योंकि मनुष्य जब नहीं रहेगा तो क्या निर्वाण की प्राप्ति करेगा. So he gives, no, you have to choose the follow the middle path. The middle path is known as Madhyama Marga. Clear? Though, so the rules made for the Buddhist Sangha were written down in a book. So when we talk about the Buddha and the rule book, in the rule book codified the preachings of the Lord Buddha or the Mahatma Buddha in the law book, in the rule book, and this rule book is known as Vinay Pitaka.
विनय पिटाका.
समझा रहे हैं?
विनय पिटाका.
तो इसी तरीके से आप बनाइए, जिस तरह से मैं फ्लो चार्ट बना रहा हूं, तो ही समझ आएगा. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे से समझ आएगा, ध्यान से देखिएगा. तो विनय पिटाका, विनय पिटाका क्या है, ध्यान से देखिए. देन इन द विनय पिटाका दे हैव कोडिफाइड द प्रीचिंग्स ऑफ महात्मा बुद्धा, बिकॉज वी नो दैट when he was born he given the sermons, and earlier it was not written down, but some people thought, no, we have to what codified the preachings which were given by the Mahatma Buddha, because after some time it will be what vanished. So they thought that we have to codify, and due to the codified method, codified means written in the book method, written in the copy method, this religion, Buddhist religion, was much more spread in the sense or comparison than India, and it reached to the many other countries, Japan, Korea, China, South Korea, North Korea, and many more places, even Mongolia. In the Ladakh areas, 75% people are Buddhist. So if you, in the simple terms, you not understand what is the importance of the Buddha, but the some another countries understood, and so in that country they have adapted the Buddhism. So if in today's term you can't understand Buddhism, what kind of Buddhism they are practicing? They are follow the corrupt form of Buddhism, not the total pure form of Buddhism. Because when it follow the pure form of Buddhism, the non-violence is totally prohibited, and they are eating the flesh. You have seen this. Whether you reach to the Korea, whether you reach to the China and Japan, they're eating. So they're following the corrupt form of Buddhism. So the Vinay Pitaka, which is a rule book, which is a law book, and these things were written. So clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Then from this we know that there were separate branches for the man, because what they have done when we talk about the group and the associations, so those person who left their homes and they roam or they wander from place to place, and if they roam and they wander place to place, they give the knowledge of whatever the Mahavir Swami or whatever we can say the Lord Buddha or Mahatma Buddha. So in the whole year it's okay, but what about the season of the rainy season? So where they will live? So earlier make the hot houses, they live in the orchards and the gardens, and later they understood, no, these are not the permanent, they also live in the huts or the tents, but these are not the permanent places. So the some kings and the patrons understood, no, we have to make the permanent houses. The permanent houses is related with the stupas. So they make the stupas, and the stupas, we can't say permanent houses because they haven't lived permanently. They just stayed at one place in the rainy season, and so in this season they left they lived 3 to 4 months at one place. So if you try to understand this, see at the page number 63, a cave hollowed out in the hills. This is a cave in Karle, present day Maharashtra. Monks and the nuns lived in and meditated in their shelters. So later these places will become the learning centers, because in these places they have arranged the gospels. The gospels is related with discussion centers. So simple sense, when many kind of people or the intellectuals will gathered, they will make the discussions, and due to discussion the new thought will come. Understood? Clear? Tell me, are you understanding or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
the conditions who person has accepted or embraced Buddhism. So I'm writing about this something, that who will adopted or accepted this first of all. Then listen it, from whom they have to take the permission, whom they have to take the permission to enter in the sangha और एसोसिएशन और ग्रुप. हर कोई इसमें नहीं घुस सकता था संघ के अंदर, उसके भी कुछ नियम थे, चरणबद्ध नियम, और उन चरणबद्ध नियमों का पालन कर कर ही वह संघ में प्रवेश कर सकता था. वो क्या क्या नियम थे अब आपके सामने मैं हल्का से बताऊंगा, 3-4 है नियम, वो मतलब कंडीशंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्लेव्स, नाइट राइट और रिटर्न, अंडरस्टैंड, ध्यान से सुनिए. How the slaves will entered in the sangha. The slaves have to take the permissions of their masters. The slaves have to take the permission from their masters. When the master will giving the permission to the slave, they will enter in the sangha. So do you understood? Now, another one is children. The children will not take or enter in the sangha. So the children have to take the permission from their parents. They have to take the permission from the parents, then they will enter in the sangha. Then another, the debtor. The debtor, जिसने ऋण लिया है वो भी संघ में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता है, क्योंकि उसको अपने क्रेडिटर से परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी, जिसने उसको क्रेडिट दिया, जिसने उसको लोन दिया है या जिसने उसको कर्ज दिया है. So after taking the permission of the creditor, the debitor will entered. The debitor will entered in the sangha. Clear? Then, are you understanding or not? सुन रहे हैं ध्यान से बच्चों?
Yes, sir. मतलब क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
ध्यान से देखिए, क्रेडिट, क्रेडिट का मतलब कि क्रेडिट है, जिसके पास क्रेडिट पॉइंट होता है, सुनते हैं, बैंक लोन देता है, क्रेडिट देता है. तो क्रेडिट माने कि जब आपको किस मतलब क्रेडिटर ने किसी को पैसे दिए, तो जो पैसे लिया तो वो कर्जदार हो गया, तो कर्जदार जो था संघ में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता था जब तक कि उस क्रेडिटर का वो पैसा लौटा नहीं देता, या क्रेडिटर उसको कह दे कि नहीं नहीं तुम जाओ, तुम संघ में प्रवेश कर सकते हो. क्योंकि हो सकता है कि क्रेडिटर उसको बहुत परेशान करता हो, क्योंकि क्रेडिटर भी जब डेब्टर को दे देगा तो वो एक कंडीशन स्लेव की कंडीशन हो जाएगी, ठीक है। It's also the condition like the slave. So first of all, the debtor have to take the permission of the creditor, then they have to enter in the sangha. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the some. Then the women's. The last we talk about the women. So when we talk in the matter of the women live different. They are known by the name Bhikshuni, or English it is known as nuns, and that sages were known as the monks. So the women have to take their permission of their husband. So after taking the permission of their husband, they will enter in the sangha. So there are 4 conditions. First of all, the slaves have to take the permission from the masters. Then the children have to take the permission from the parents. The debtor have to take the permission from the creditor, and the women have to take the permission from the husbands. So when they will take the permission, they will enter in the sangha.
सर स्लेव्स क्या होता है?
Slave das. The slave is the instrumental vocalis. There is a difference between the slave and the servant. I have given you many times the example of the slave. The slave, you can compare the slave, the situation like a cow. For example, if the cow gives to produce the young ones, गाय ने एक बछड़े को जन्म दिया, तो कहलाने के लिए तो बच्चा वो गाय का बछड़ा, उस जो गाय का बछड़ा है वो गाय का है, but in the real sense it not belong to the gaya, it's not belong to the cow, because it is the property of the owner. Even the cow and the calf, are the property of their owner, and it depends on the owner of that cow what he will do with the cow and the calf. So whether he will sell or whether he will keep. समझा रहे हैं ना? So this is the same situation related with the slave, because even the slave children are not belong to them, because the masters sell their children to the another owners, to the another masters, क्योंकि उसकी संपत्ति पर उसका कोई, देखिए साधारण शब्दों में दास का कोई अधिकार ही नहीं होता है, क्योंकि दास तो खुद ही अधिकार से वंचित है, तो किसी भी चीज को लेकर उसका कोई मतलब अधिकार ही नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द स्लेव हैव टू टेक द परमिशन फ्रॉम द मास्टर्स, क्लियर, और द ऑनर्स. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Only the few minutes are left, so that's why if you have doubt, you can ask the questions.
Yes, sir.
पूछिए. Today we have just stopped at this place. Slave master से लेगा, children parents से लेंगे, debtor creditor से लेगा, woman husband से लेगी. These are the logical things. कोई भी महिला अपने मन से नहीं आ सकती संघ में जब तक उसका पति उसको स्वेच्छा से कहे कि नहीं तुम संघ में जाओ. ठीक है? क्लियर? कोई डाउट? बताइए.
No, sir.
बताइए. दिख रहा सबको? I think you don't have any doubt. You are all genius. सभी बच्चे जीनियस हैं, इसलिए उनको कोई डाउट ही नहीं होता है, या दिन भर पढ़ते हैं वो लोग. मैं तो यही समझता हूँ कि आप लोग दिन भर रात भर पढ़ते हैं, दिन और रात कम पड़ जाता है, इतना पढ़ते